Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we will create a very simple card for the Pongal. Yes, the festival of Pongal is arriving, so let's create a very simple card for it. The material required is an A5 size sheet, pencil, marker and the simple sketch pens. Now the first step is we will take the sheet, fold it from the center and make a crease. Now we have to make sure while making a card that the card should open from the right hand side. Okay, it should open from the right hand side. Now what we'll do is the festival of Pongal, it's a harvest festival, so we will make some matki filled with rice because it's a harvest festival. Make some decorations inside it. You can create any style and any font of decoration. For that. Now here is a heap of rice on it. We will make some banana leaves. So I'm making a straight line, and what we'll do is we will just first make the shape and then we will make some cuts in it. So it's the simplest way to make that banana leaf. And you can use the eraser to rub the extra part. So this is the easiest way to create it. Now this side we will make some plants of and it's very simple to make it. And we will write down Happy Pongal. I'll make one more here. We can write it in capital letters or simple letters. It's your choice how you write it. First write it with a pencil and we can overlap it with a marker. So the basic drawing is done. Now what we'll do is we'll use sketch pens, or we can use the oil pastels to color it. The first step is to do the outline of it. So we'll use the black marker to do the outline work. Now we'll write Happy Pongal directly with the sketch pens. I'm giving a double outline for this, only on one side. I'm just giving a depth, but only on one side. I'm not doing it on both the sides. For this again, we'll use different colors to color it. We can use sketch pens. I'm using this orange color. So basically these are all harvest festivals. When we talk about Lodi, we talk about Makar Sankranti, we talk about Pongal. So we all can create in different parts of India. These festivals have been celebrated. Now for this banana leaf again, we'll use the light green and the shades of dark green color. Light green, and that side will give the shades of dark green color. Similarly, in this green area, I will take different shades of green. 1 or 2 with the dark green and rest with the other green color. So in case you have just light green and dark green, you can use just these 2 greens. No need to worry about whatever colors are available with you. You can just create and give the effect with that. So dark green and light green are usually available in all the sketch pen sets. So we can do that. And here what we'll do is we'll use the mustard color and little bit shades of brown color. We'll add mustard and pinch of brown. We'll merge it. So while the colors are wet, if you give that, you can get that effect, and our simple card is ready. Okay, for this what we'll do is we'll just add a pinch of shades of grey to it. We can even use the oil pastel. We'll use the white oil pastels and give a shade. I have given a grey effect, and then I'll use the white oil pastel on it to give an effect. That's it. As we don't have white color in the sketch pens, so we'll do that. And our simple card for Pongal is ready. I hope you all will enjoy creating it. Do create it and share us on our Insta and Facebook page. And of course, don't forget to subscribe the channel and try the Lodi card and the Makar Sankranti card also. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.